going to learn how to detect your hand or movement of your fingers. In this lesson, we are going to use this SunFounder's Raspberry Pi PiCar-X with taking photo with a camera, color recognition, face detection, and also reading QR code. You can also stream over the network and get the video on your camera or your desktop or tablet, whatever you have. Hi, welcome to a product tutorial by Robojax. This is SunFounder's PiCar-X Raspberry Pi self-driving robot car kit.
Hello friend, how are you? Turn left here. Countdown to 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rock. I'm lost.
Come to SunFounder's documentation page. Under Play with Python, we see number 7. It says computer vision, and we are going to run this code under the example number 7 display.py. Here we have some information. Once you run it, then you can see the information from the browser as well via this URL, and then we can run these commands: Q to take photo, 1, 2, 3 up to 6 to detect different color, and 0 to switch off color detect, and then QR code, and switch on and off face detection, and also display the object information. And there are more information as how the code works. There are very good explanation, but we are going to demonstrate it all. For computer vision, if you want to play with different color and you have problem with that, you can print this PDF, print it on the sheet. As you can see, we have all these colors, and it will detect it very easily. First, let's find out the IP address of our robot. Go to PowerShell, right-click and run as administrator. And let's type ping -4 robojax.local. That is the host name that I set. IP address is 192.168.0.102. Open VNC player. We have shown you how to install it. And 192.168.0.102. Enter the IP address. You will get the warning. Accept it. Enter your username and the password. I've selected username and password, and then click OK. Here is our screen. Go to the terminal. Let me increase the text, the font size, so you can see it. Now we are on the main folder here, the If you say print working directory, you will see that we are inside home pi. But let's type, I type clear to clear the screen, cd pi and then PiCar-X and then example. I just press tab to complete it. And if we run dir, we will see all these codes available, and we are going to run number 7, which is display. So we type sudo python 3 number 7 dot and then press tab to complete it and run the code. The camera will run. And here we are getting the video live from our camera. Let me rearrange this so you can see it and also I can record it. Here they have provided all these shortcuts again. So to detect different color, for red we press 1, and let me try it. And now to take a photo we press Q. Okay, so here that's my hand with the box. I'm gonna press, let's see, I'm gonna press Q. So the picture have been taken and it has been stored in home pi picture, and then this is the name. Let's see, let's go to this browser, home, and then pi picture, and here this is the picture. If I double click, it opens. So this was the picture that I took. I'm now pressing here 1, and red color detector is activated, and this is the robot. Let me show you. And this is the picture that you're seeing from camera. So let me put this in front of it, and as you can see, it has detected all these red. Blue is 5. Let's enter blue. So 5. Now it says blue. All the blue have been detected. Let me bring this one. So let's see what else I have. Green, number 4. I'm pressing 4 on the keyboard. Now green. I have this bag. So as soon as I bring it, you can see that green have been detected. Yellow is 3. Now yellow have been activated. Let's see. This card has no, nothing is detected here because this looks like golden perhaps, where I can get yellow. So let's see, this one has yellow. Yes. At some angle it detects it. No, so this was color detection, and press 0 to exit from color detection. I'm pressing 0, so color detection was turned off now. For the QR code, I'm pressing R here, waiting for the QR code. and as you can see it says Robojax. Perfect. Now let's go for the face detection. Here, switch on off face detection. I'm pressing F. Face detect true on the screen. And here I've taken a photo from the internet, and let's see. Yes, so it is detecting the face, as you can see here. Nice. Let me bring multiple people. So here I got this photo, and let's see. Yes, as you can see, the faces are being detected. I came to GitHub under SunFounder VI library, and here it says detect object. Let's run this code. I'm copying it and creating a new file. I exit it. Let's go here under Robojax, detect object. I'm going to create a new file. Opening it here, paste. So I forgot, and remove that and save it. And let's go to the terminal, cd Robojax dir, and this is my file, detect object, sudo python 3 detect object. Let's run it. So here the code is running. Let's put the pen. There are so many things here, confusing it. So, and let's put pen. It says pen about 60%. So I'm holding a pen here, and it's about pen, my hand, traffic light, so many things. So it says a person, 55%. Let's hold this. Scissors, 62%. And interesting. Let's put the business card, this Costco card. What does it say? Because there is my hand and it's disturbing it. Let's see if it recognizes USB flash drive. My hand, it says person, chair. But let's keep this. So, plier, do we see plier? Chair. Anyway, so we can play with this. To get the picture, we just type the IP address and then type the 900:900 and then MJPG, and that is the video that is streamed by the camera on your browser. So the only important thing is to remember that this browser must be connected to the same network as this robot. So whatever Wi-Fi this is connected, your computer must be connected to the same router, so you can view it either on the phone or using the browser. Let me get the stream over my phone. Now I've connected to the same Wi-Fi network as my robot, because I have separate network for this purpose. I've connected now. And here I typed this URL for the video, and I'm getting the video here. My phone, and that's the computer. Okay, so and here is the VILIB or Vision Library from SunFounder that has a lot of functions built in. That's what we are using in our code, and it has all these features available, including here the hand detection, pose detection, and then hand detection. If I click here, we can run the hand detection. Here is the documentation page. I will provide you the link. If you go to docs.sunfounder project vlibrary, then come here for hand detect. This is the code. You will run it from remote desktop, not from the command line. I'm going to copy the code to our Raspberry Pi and then run it. The code is very simple because we are using Vision Library or VILib from SunFounder, and it just says the camera start display, and there is a feature called hand detect switch, which is inside the VI library. Finger, we have up to 20 points. You see in one finger we have 4 points, 4 points here and 4 points, so 4 times 4 is 16. Let's copy it. I'm going to the remote desktop, and inside the Robojax, let's create a new file. Hand detect.py. Open it, right click, paste. The code did not came. Okay, so let's get it from the browser, from the Raspberry Pi. And from this device here, this is supposed to allow the transfer, but I don't like it. SunFounder VILIB. And here, that is the page. We go directly there. Okay, so here at the bottom, second one will come. That was PDF. So click on this. And from this screen, you see all the information. Let's go hand detect. Select it up to here, right click, copy, and then go here, right click, paste, and here I missed one hash. So this is our code. Save. Let's go and run it. handdetect.py sudo python 3 So the camera is now running, and let me put my hand, and as you can see, it's detecting my hand. Very nicely. There is some delay, but it works perfectly with the recognition. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lesson.